Good morning, friends. Hope you are all fine. So, friends, today we are taking question number 18th one. So, friends, we have done up to question number 17th. We have done the last period, right? So, today we are following the 18th question, the second last question of this particular chapter. That is the final account. The question is: Sant and Mahant are the partners of a firm, sharing profit and loss in the proportion of 3:2. From the following trial balance on 31st March 2017, an adjustment, prepare final account of the partnership fund. They are asking to prepare the partnership fund. Okay, so let's see the sum. The first is, friends, the topic. Just 1 minute. So we can start. So, friends, the first information you can see we are taking on the credit side. So credit, we can see that Sant and Mahant is given. So where we have to write? We have to write in partners capital, obviously on the credit side, right? Then comes creditors. So where we have to go? Creditors. Creditors comes to current liabilities. Sale of plant and machine. Now very important is that sale of plant and machine. You can see plant of machine is there. From there, the first adjustment that we have to deduct it, plant and machinery. So we have to deduct it, deduct from the balance sheet, right? And then we have to go for the topic. And there clearly says that the book value is this much and the sold value is this much. So we get a loss also. Loss also. Now we can take the point of sales. So where we have to go to sales? Trading account. Sales we have to write in trading account, which side? Credit side. Then comes 5% loan from Gyani. We are taking a loan from Gyani. Now, Gyani is not a partner. Gyani is not a partner. So, no problem. So, it comes in non-current liability. Hope you are remembering non-current liability plus interest we have to do. Okay. Then comes commission. Commission is an income. It will come in the profit and loss credit side. Profit and loss credit. So credit side is hardly some points was there, that is completed. Now let's see the debit. Ready? Debit side, Sant and Mahant. It will comes to partners capital, obviously the debit side. Plant and machinery, it comes to asset. Addition in plant and machine. Addition in plant and machine. So in plant and machine we have to do the plus. We have to do the plus. Furniture and fitting. Again it comes to asset. Debtors we have to go to current asset. Advertisement expenses. Where, friends? Selling and distribution. Cash and bank balance. Cash and bank balance. Where we have to do? Current asset. Purchases. Purchases. Where we have to follow in the trading account. Then comes productive wages. Productive wages related to trading. Electricity expense, specifically they say factory. When they say specifically it's of factory, we have to go to trading account. Specifically when they mention about factory, we have to take trading. Rent and taxes office, that is administrative expenses. Rent and taxes, again factory. Trading. Technical expenses related to factory. Trading. Opening stock related to goods. Trading. Factory expense. Trading. Office salary. Administrative. You are getting the points? Discount allowed related to sales and distribution. Carriage inward, it's an expense but related to trading. Bad debt, bad debt is a loss. Other expenses and losses. Office expenses, administrative. First point is closing stock is 85,500. So two effects will be there. Two effects we have to write. Two effects will we have to write. One is, 1 minute. The first one will come trading account credit, and second comes to balance sheet asset. Depreciation on plant and machinery and furniture and fixtures. It's a normal one. So just tick mark on the plant and machinery and furniture and fitting. Provide bad debt reserve of 2,000 on debtors. Provide bad debt reserve of 2,000 on debtors. So take the bad debtors tick mark. 6% interest on payable of partner. So same thing, partners, P&L appropriation, P&L appropriation, and then we have to transfer to partners capital. Outstanding expenses, productive wages, we have to add in productive wages. Advertisement, we have to add in advertisement. Office salary, we have to add in office salary. While technical, we have to add in technical expenses. Right, I think you are ready with the sum now. Okay, चलो तो आगे बढ़ते हैं. So already I said to you the columns that we have to prepare. So let's see the columns. Give the heading trading account of Sant and Mahant. Trading account of Sant and Mahant for the year ending on 31/3/2017. 31/3/2017. Leave around 20 lines. Leave around 20 lines. Then give the heading profit and loss account of Sant and Mahant for the ending on 31/3/17. Leave around 20 lines. 20 lines. Then comes profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account. Leave around 15 lines. Leave 15 lines. And then partners capital account 10 lines. Partners capital account 10 lines. And then comes the finally the balance sheet. Balance sheet. Right. So I will teach you some of the point only. Remaining I will just say to you. You have to write it. Okay. Columns are ready. Prepare the columns first of all. So we are starting with the sum. Okay. Let's see the sum. So first comes the capital account. So fair friends, we have to go capital. Go to partners capital credit side. Go to partners capital credit side. Partners capital credit side. What we have to write? By balance brought forward. I'm not showing the answer to you. By balance brought forward. Sant. In Sant column comes to 80,000. While in Mahant column it comes to 40,000. Mahant column comes to 40,000. Over. Then comes the creditor. Go to balance sheet liability side. Balance sheet liability side. Write down the capital account Sant and Mahant. Sant and Mahant. Then give the heading. Leave 2 lines more. Then give the heading non-current liabilities. Give the heading non-current liabilities. Leave 3 to 4 lines. 2 lines. 2 lines are enough. Leave 2 lines. Then give the heading current liabilities, creditors. Creditors, no tick mark is there. So outer column 48,000. Outer column 48,000. Over. Sale of plant and machinery. So right now we are not doing this one, sale of plant and machinery. Come to sales. Sales account. Come to trading account, credit side. Come to trading account, credit side, buy sales, inner column, sales. I can see any point is there, return is not there, nothing is there. No point is there. The sales we can write in outer column. By sales, outer column 2,68,000. 2,68,000. So then comes 5% loan from Gyani. So it's a liability now. So go to balance sheet liability under which heading? Non-current liabilities. Go to non-current liabilities, write down loan of Gyani. Outer column 10,000. Now calculate. 10,000 5% comes to 500 for 6 months. 250. 250. Go to P&L account, profit and loss account. Ready? Give the heading administrative expenses. Administrative expenses. So I can see administrative hardly 2 to 3 lines. First is not there, here is not there. Rent and tax, first one, administrative. Then the last. So in administrative, leave 3 lines. After that, write down sales and distribution expenses. Sales and distribution expenses. That also we can see sales and distribution. First one. Second one. 2 are there. Sales and distribution 2. So leave 3 lines. Then give the heading financial expenses. Financial expenses. In that you have to write interest on loan. Interest on loan. Inner column, sorry, not inner, outer column 250. You know how we get 250? 10,000 5%, 500 for 6 months, 250. Okay. Then you have to transfer it. Where we have to transfer? We have to go to liability side. Go to liability side, write down interest on loan. Interest on loan 250. 250. Over. Then comes the commission given on the credit side. So write down in profit and loss credit side by commission. By commission. Outer column 800. Now comes the debit. So let's see debit. Sant and Mahant. Go to partners capital debit side, Sant and Mahant. Sant write down 7,000, Mahant 3,000. And then write down plant and machine. Go to asset side. Asset, first give the heading non-current asset. In that first point, plant and machinery. Inner column 33,300. Inner column 33,300. 33,300.